subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So today I am here and I'm going to do a shopping haul for you guys. So yes, I bought some products from Max, and to tell you a little about Max is a retail brand which you will find in India, and it's like the common man's brand. I'm sure most of you all will agree with me. So I still remember when I got my first salary, I went to shopping and I got some products from Max which were fab. It was affordable and of really great quality, guys. They don't compromise on the quality. So yes, so definitely visit Max, the nearest Max store, and you will find. And Max offers a variety range of products for mainly into apparels for men, women, children, all. And yes, and you're going to love each and every product of theirs because it's fab, guys. I'm a big Max fan. I got few of the products at a very good deal, and few of the products I bought at full price. But buying products at full price in Max is as good as, you know, buying a discounted product. So it is that good. I can't stop, you know, appreciating Max for that. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The very first product from Max is the one which I'm wearing. It's a very beautiful black top, guys. I really like the top. It's a very comfortable. So the material is synthetic. It's like a Ganji synthetic material, and it has XOXO written all over it. I really like marble detailed buttons over here. It's really nice. Also the sleeves, there's a bit of puff over here, and when you go down it's narrowed. So the MRP of this particular product is 799, but I got it in a buy one get one free. So this product I got it for 400, which is fab. I love it to bits. The next product is this beautiful mehendi green one piece or a dress. You can see it's a beautiful dress, guys. I love the color. These two products, like this black top and dress, I got for 799 buy one get one, so 400 for a one piece, and it's so comfortable. The fabric is cotton and it's beautiful, guys. So they have also provided you sleeves, so people who wish to, you know, attach sleeves can do that. It has a chain enclosure, guys. Look at this. It's a knee length one piece, but you can also wear it as kurta. I love the color, I love the fabric, I love everything about this dress. I can't wait to wear it. The next product is this beautiful multicolored white printed top. So this is also a synthetic material, as in, you know, you can really make it into a ball, and you know, and then also it will not crease. I really love such tops which doesn't need ironing. So I got this particular top for full price, that is 499, which is really good. So it's a nice easy flowy top, guys. It looked very beautiful when I tried it, and you can pair it with, you know, black jeggings or blue jeans. It looks fab, guys. So the next product is this beautiful pastel colored spaghetti top. It's a beautiful top. It has like a chikankari work on it, and it's of cotton material. I can feel that it is a cotton material. So they have also given you an extra button over here in case you lose one. So yes, really pretty, guys. I really liked it. So the next is track pants. I bought these track pants. The material is so soft, guys, and I really like it. And the color is very dark grey, which is close to black, and really comfortable. So they have beautiful, you know, text detailing over here. So really nice, and it's of stretchable material. Really good fit, guys. I really like it. So this particular product I bought it for 649, which is full price. The material is soft and it's very comfortable, so worth it. So totally worth it. Last but not the least, I wanted some socks for me. So I got these two socks for 318 rupees. So these has two socks, that is one in the dark grey orange color, neon orange color, and one in the lighter grey and dark grey color. So it's really pretty, guys. The material is so soft, it's very comfortable, and the color looks really great. And the next is these three set of socks, which are normal socks, really cool, nice grey shades, grey and blue shades. These are of ankle length, and I really like them, So yes, that was my mini Max haul, guys. I hope you like the products I'll be mentioning the links of each and every product in the description box, so do check it out. Let me know in the comment section of which product you like the most. And if you like this shopping haul, if you like this video, please give it a like. Please share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.